Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert a picture into a star shape in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show insert picture into a star shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a shape option. Now click for star shape. Now draw a star shape. Now click for a shape outline, then click for a no outline. Now click for shape fill option, then click for picture option. Now click for from a file. Now select from find your picture. Now select from a picture. Now click for insert option. That is. Now research here. Then you show insert picture into star shape in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.